Hey guys, here's Jonas from Magix. Thanks for downloading Music Maker, the tool to make music the easy way. In this video I'll show you how to use loops from Soundpools and combine them into your very own songs, simply by dragging and dropping them. Soundpools are production-ready loops that work perfectly in almost any combination, so your arrangements will sound amazing right from the get-go. There's literally no music theory required. Before getting started, make sure you can hear your audio playback. You can easily do this by going to the Music Maker home screen and choosing Sound Check. If you can't hear anything, make sure the correct device is selected, and if necessary, select a different driver. Now let's get started. First, create a new project and make sure that the loop section is displayed. You can toggle this by pressing L on your keyboard. Choose your desired soundpool from the list to view its instruments. Here I choose Music Maker, Feel Good. Next, choose your first instrument. Each soundpool has a variety of different instruments, effects, and often vocal parts as well. As I want my track to be guitar-led, under Instruments I choose Guitar. In the section below, you'll see a list of different loops. By left-clicking them, you're able to listen to how they sound. One special feature of Music Maker is the harmony shifter. This means you can use any melody or chord in the 7 different chord variations. Select and preview the pitches by clicking on the numbers. For example, by only using loops with the number 4 in a song, you can be sure that all the melodies and chords are in harmony and will always sound good together. Here, I choose the loop named Right Guitar A and select 2 as the pitch. Then, by left-clicking the loop and holding the left mouse button down, I drag it to the beginning of track 1. As you can see, now that I dragged the guitar loop to track 1, a guitar symbol appears next to the track. This helps you see which instrument you have assigned to which track of your production. That way you can keep an overview of your arrangement as you start to add more loops to your song. If you now press play or hit the spacebar, you'll hear the loop play in your sequence. From the section above, you can see that our sequence is set to 16 bars, but the loop that we just dragged in is only 8 bars long. To make the loop longer, move the mouse cursor to the end of the block, left-click, hold, and extend the loop. Now you can do the same for the rest of the instruments you wish to add to your song. Here I'm adding a drum loop and a percussion loop with some hi-hats. Here's a little pro tip. I'm also adding some keys, but as I want them to start playing only 8 bars into my 16-bar loop, I drop the keys loop halfway into my arrangement and then extend it till the end. This is an example of basic song arranging. In another video, we'll dive deeper into how you can craft good song arrangements. Now you know the basics of creating your own songs with Soundpools. Feel free to experiment with different loop combinations and musical styles to find something that defines you and your sound. Once you're finished, hit the spacebar to hear your song.